me off my focus. Y'all not gonna take me off my focus. It says they got a Tahoe for $32,000. Booked a ticket to Vegas.
What?
Welcome to Sunday brunch. Welcome to Sunday brunch. Welcome to Sunday brunch. Welcome to Ganzia. Hungry. Woke up hungry. And it's my fault. I have not had one sip of water. I can get downright rebellious. So during OMAD, you need to drink water. And I have not had any water. And this plethora of food in front of me. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to Carter's. If you're a returning Carterian, thank you for coming back to me. They're making the most noise. My name is Lisa. Thank you, Explore with the Wagoners, for my earrings. I absolutely love them. And my Command Stick t-shirt. It's gorgeous. There's our Wong Fu karate character. We've got something I need for bless the food, about to receive from nourishment body. And author has created something in the kitchen. So let's see what he's created in the kitchen. Created in the kitchen. Created in the kitchen. Let's see what he's created in the kitchen. Created in the kitchen. I'm hyped right now because I've been sitting all morning doing nothing. So to get on here with y'all is fire. What is it? Well, let's start there. God darn. One, I love tortellini. I know it's tortellini, which I absolutely, positively love. Well, I know what it is. I know what it is.
What? What?
Oh my God, it's spinach sauce.
With?
Cream cheese?
Nope. Try to keep it healthy. There's one more ingredient. Taste the flavors. Melt the flavors together. Then you have peas.
What is it?
Peas. Spinach and peas.
I hate peas.
You like them now?
Oh, I like them now. That's the only way I'll ever eat peas ever again. Is in a sauce base. Hey, baby, warm this up real quick.
Y'all
Something's back in my wisdom tooth. They've only been asking me to get my wisdom teeth pulled out for 10 years now. Only 10. So I made an appointment for consultation. January something? Thanks, honey. Oh, that's all the sweet tea. God dang. That boy over there, man, he'll be showing out. What are you cooking back there?
Oh, just tea.
Y'all.
A little more tea and that's it. I don't know what's for dinner, so
The turkey.
Oh, okay. There you go.
And then you have a steak or something. But let me tell you, I made a turkey in the crock pot. I'm going to pray and tell the kids it's chicken. That's the only way they're going to eat it. It's got some gravy in there.
Doesn't taste like chicken, but it's chicken.
Put a lot of gravy on top of the turkey breast. They shouldn't know or care. Lunch is bussin'. A quarter pounder, a double quarter pounder, right?
A double quarter pounder, yep.
double quarter pounder. Arthur doesn't like to eat fast food, so he gave me the half of it. I already know. I don't even need to ask. It's the fried chicken. And the tortellini with the spinach pea sauce. My boyfriend's better than yours. My boyfriend better than yours.
You like the pea sauce, huh?
I'm not messing with the pea sauce right there, though.
Well,
No.
oh, yeah. Yeah. Just a chum of what it was.
That's the chum. I bet that would make a good smoothie.
Okay.
That is so kind of good. I can't talk. I just got a text message, Arthur. It says they got a Tahoe for $32,000
Where?
with 52,000 miles on it.
Where?
Alabama. I just told the man to send it to me. If anything comes in. And I already booked a ticket to Vegas.
Okay, what?
Booked the ticket to Vegas for us to go on the black card.
Thank you.
I did.
So you don't even know what day I'm off. So you just made a blind decision. Okay. You go by yourself. You don't get it
Did you try it?
Several times. I like it.
You're not even phased. I got the truck and the freaking trip. I don't care.
You keep talking about you need to make so much. Ain't working. Ain't working. Conversation.
I gotta work on my acting skills. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it right. I can't. No matter how much I try. I'm too honest. Now I'm gonna be sleeping at my desk. I haven't ate with y'all so long. I don't even know what to talk about. I pranked Mr. Arthur and it went terribly wrong. He knows I hate water running in the video. I know I look beautiful. Lately, I've been loving burgers. I got the tree up.
What are you doing?
We got the tree up. And what made you go to KFC?
AJ wanted the Baja Blast.
According to Wikipedia, Mountain Dew Baja Blast is a tropical lime-flavored soft drink under the Mountain Dew brand, exclusively distributed at Taco Bell restaurants.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, AJ wanted the Baja Blast. I was like, well, I'll get the chicken. But I don't want any. I want a burger.
Alright. The only announcement I have is
You're a goober?
you're a bigger goober. Turn that water off. If I throw this at him, that's where we're leaning. Oh my God!
This would be an asshole for me.
God, this is so good. Okay, as I was saying, what's Blake's movie?
Right, bro.
Strange World. We gotta check that out. That's what we're trying to go check out next as a family.
Okay, so I got a plate. And I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna plate it so that she can have some with her chicken. And again, there's the spinach and pea sauce. So there's the chum. There's the spinach and pea pasta salad with tortellini, some chicken from KFC, and a quarter pounder. I was out this morning, so just thought I'd make something small and give her something a little hearty for her.
And then did you see Fantasia perform for Patti LaBelle tribute? I'll try to put it on the other channel. Okay. Our Sunday brunch was fab. When pranking Arthur goes epic fail. eating his spinach pea sauce. Bomb.com. I'm done. I'm full. Y'all not about to take me off my focus. Y'all not gonna take me off my focus. Y'all not gonna take me off my focus. I'm cutting up. I'll have on makeup next time. I am gonna perm my hair. I know there's a report out about perms causing cancer, but I think that's an excessive use and over long periods of time. And I think one shot, I won't, hopefully, nothing will happen to me. But I have too many dead ends, and I need to perm my hair. Not straighten it with a straightening comb and cause heat damage. I need to perm it, cut off the dead ends, and then let it ball back up into a natural looking hairstyle because it's gonna be like a deep wave. Because my hair is not gonna take. It's not gonna take no how.
To get the edges done. Right and probably we'll get some extensions.
Oh my booty! The chickens got me feeling real fat. Burger was busting. Food in the tooth. I'm done.
You ate all of the.
Oh yeah, that was great. That's on my level. Healthy.
All healthy.
No, the chicken won't.
Nah, chicken might help. Yeah, healthy, but the
Burger-
pasta healthy.
Pasta is healthy.
I mean, you got the pasta.
But you heard Arthur singing earlier. He was like, "We're out of order today. We're out of order today." Oh, maybe you didn't hear him singing that. All right, family. I gotta do this video right now. You're gonna see the corn. Corn video came out first. Cream corn. Go check it out right over there. Right there. Cream corn.
More pasta.
And then hit the button right there. Subscribe. And then hit the little button right there
To subscribe.
to thumbs it up. I got my tree up. I got my tree up.